Hi, hello, kamusta? My name is Teacher Crystal and I'm from the Philippines. I'm here to help you learn Tagalog in a simple, clear, and natural way. I graduated with a degree in office administration, major in typing and stenography. This helped me develop strong skills in listening, writing, and clear communication. Very important when learning a new language. I have more than 1 year of experience in ESL teaching. I have taught students from different countries. Because of this, I understand how to guide students step by step, lalo na kung beginner ka. I am also TFL certified, so I am trained to teach in a structured and effective way. I use this to make learning Tagalog easy to understand and enjoyable. In my class, we will focus on real Tagalog from basic words and correct pronunciation hanggang makabuo ka ng sariling sentences. We will also practice everyday conversations para mas natural kang magsalita ng Tagalog. Huwag kang mag-alala kung beginner ka. Tutulungan kita from start hanggang maging confident ka sa pagsasalita. If you want to learn Tagalog in a fun and supportive way, join my class.